Hey guys, T here. I'm still trying to organize my tools in this small shop. And if you saw my video on building this cabinet, you saw that we got a lot of tools in a small space. Well, right now I've still got a lot of tools in file cabinets, laying on the bench, supplies, the same thing, stuff everywhere that I need to organize. So I think what I need is another cabinet, just like this. We're going to put it on the other side of the shop and get rid of two file cabinets I've been stumbling over now for a year or so. So guys, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. And those of you who haven't subscribed, please do. Hit the bell for notification. And let's get building. So here's what we're going to build. We're going to build a box of 2x4s, and then we're going to add a little space here to make this thicker or deeper, so that we can put this kind of stuff in it, so we can store supplies down here, and up here will be tools. So we're going to put a brace across here, and we'll do a little mortise and tenon work there. Doors. Top and bottom, we'll put dovetails in these guys. Layout for a center brace. So here we are so far. We've got both doors made. We're just waiting on the hinges. If you watched my videos before, you may have seen this previous cabinet that I built. It's full of stuff, and it's got more space as well. So we keep doing this to avoid file cabinets. No more file cabinets. They're out of here. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you will. Hit the bell for notification. On to the next project.